Stop entering manual data. Have you ever had a scenario where you're getting a lot of invoices or different PDFs coming in from different people, and then those have to be inputted into a different system? I'm going to show you a better way that you can use an automation to extract the information from that PDF and put it into Excel or whatever other program you need that data in. In this example, we're using Google Sheets. You will create a Google Sheets or Airtable or wherever your information sits with a link to that PDF that was sent to you. We're using a module here from PDF Co that essentially takes that line item, understands it's a link to a PDF, and then is converting it to text, plain text. From there, we are extracting the variables using an OpenAI module. You are telling the system that you want to create a JSON for each one of those different sections of the PDF. So for example, total goes here, line items, from address, due date, all the things that you need. Think about it as being able to pluck that out and format it in a way where you can then utilize those bits of information and put them wherever you need. Then we use a JSON parser, which essentially formats it in a JSON format that the system can use and understand later, and then format those line items to input them in a nicer way. I've got an example here, like web design, 1 hour, quantity 1, it is $85, the subtotal plus a tax. These are the kind of things that you're going to be getting from that PDF. This is a sample description, breaking it down into what that would look like, and then those are going to essentially be line items in your Excel later on. Then we have a little tool that parses that into the different variables so we can use them. And finally, you're going to be updating that same sheet that we had over here or any other system that you need that data in, and you can fill the columns with the data that we extracted. You can customize every single cell, or you can extract more information from that PDF as you need. This is just one example of how you could take a PDF that is not editable and you're able to have the machine read that and transform it into something that is usable without having somebody manually update your system, which could be prone to error and also takes time. Start setting up your systems so that you can start saving time in 2025, and inputting data manually is left in the past. I'll see you in the next one.